Hello class 10. In the last video there was some basic about the matrices. Now see the question based on that basic. Exercise 8A. See the question number 2. In question number 2, find out whether these two matrices are equal or not. Check the corresponding elements. See, this is 1 and this is 0. Corresponding means on the same place. So these are differ from each other. So elements are not same. So it means matrices are not equal. So your answer will be not equal. Right? Now see the question number 3. In question number 3, find the matrices of 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. Formula is given here. This is the formula which is given for this question. Right? So first of all, we will be consider 2 by 2 matrices. A equals to, let A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. You have to consider like this. Now find the value of A11. A11 means I is 1 and J is also 1. I is 1, J is 1. Put in this formula. Place of I 1 and place of J again 1. So this will come 1. So this element is coming 1. Similarly, get the value of A12. A12, I is 1 and J is 2. Put in the same formula. It will come 0. Similarly, A21, this element. Put in the same formula. A22. A22 means I2, J2. In this, it is coming 4. Now, your answer will be 1094. Put the values of all these here. Now see the question number 7. Question number 7, find the value of PQRS. This relation is given in the question. This matrix is equal to that matrix. Both the matrices are same order. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2. Now equating corresponding elements. P plus 4. This is P plus 4. And what is the number here? 6. So both the numbers are on the same place. So we will equate P plus 4 with 6. Similarly, 2Q minus 7 with minus 3. Now just look at here. P plus 4 equals to 6. So P will come 2. Similarly, 2Q minus 7 is equal to minus 3. So Q will come 2. S minus 3 equals to 2. S will come 5. R plus 2S is 14. Put the value of S here. So R will come 4. So this is your question number 7. Okay. Now see exercise number 8B. 8B also based on same method. 2x is equal to A minus C. A value is given in the book and C value is also given there. So minus sign is there. Subtract the matrices. After subtraction, what will come? 2, 5. So 2x is equal to 2, 5. Remove this 2 by taking this 2 under this 2 and this 5. So it will go under every element, this number. So this is going to under this and this. So what is coming? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 will come 1. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So what is the answer? 1 and 5 by 2. Now come on the question number 6. In the question number 6, again find x and y. This is given. These two matrices are given in plus form. Take this 2 inside of this matrix by multiply. So it will come like this. After this, adding both the matrices. Add these two matrices. Then after that, equate. Because we have to find out the value of x and y. So how we can calculate this? By equating the corresponding elements. So corresponding elements 2x plus 1 is here and in the same place there is a 5. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So x will come 2. Similarly, 8 plus y equal to 0. So y will come minus 8. These are the answers, x and y. See the question number 10. In question number 10, m plus 2n, find out. M value is given this matrix, n value is given this matrix. Take 2 inside of here and then add. So what is the answer? 6, 0, minus 1, 6. See the question number 18. Last question of this exercise. 17 and 18 are similar questions. I am telling you 18-1. In 18 there are 2 equations are given. This is first equation and this is second equation. Solve these 2 equations simultaneously. Make the b term equal. Equation 1 multiply by 2. Then 2b and 2b will be cancelled. Here like this. And 4a plus 1a becomes 5a. And this side, these 2 matrices will be added. See here, adding this. So what will come? 5a equals to 10 minus 5, 5, 15. After adding these 2 matrices, this will come. And this side is 5a. Remove this 5. Taking this 5 under every element. There are 4 elements. So take this 5 under every element and answer will come this. 2 minus 1, 1, 3. So this is the value of A. Now get the value of B. How we can calculate the B value? Putting the A value in any one of the equations. Either put in 1 or you can put in 2. So I am putting this A value in equation number 2. Place of A, write this. And 2B, shift that side. And take this matrix this side. So A minus this matrix. A minus this matrix. See here, look at here. Putting in equation number 2. So place of A, write this A value. And this is the matrix. This one. And is equal to 2b. After subtraction, it will come like this and remove the 2 from b, taking 2 under every element. So b value will come minus 1, minus 2, 0 and 1. So that is the b value. Now we have done both the exercises 8a and 8b. Next time we are going to start new exercise 8c. That is one of the most important exercise of matrices. Okay, so next video I will explain that. Thank you.